Viewers, good evening. The exit polls are out and Bengal is on fire. The numbers says the BJP has an edge. The BJP is ahead. The numbers indicate that Modi may have just managed to breach the Mamata Banerjee wall. The numbers indicate that the fortress that Didi built over the last 15 years may have a crack. But Mamata Banerjee does not trust these numbers. She says these exit polls are BJP's polls. She says these are orders printed in the Delhi office of the BJP, delivered to news channels, to pollsters, and they're designed to demoralize the workers. According to Mamata, viewers, TMC is set to win 230 seats. That's our prediction. Is that confidence or desperation? We will know on the 4th of May when the results are out. The turnout in this election has been ferocious. The voter came out in large numbers. What is on the voters' mind? Someone pays the price. The question is who? Who is the voter angry with? Bengal, as you've seen, viewers, does not swing, it shifts, and when it shifts completely and decisively. We've seen it with the left. When the left fell 34 years ago, their fortress collapsed overnight. We saw it when the TMC rose to power. We saw it in 2021 when the BJP thought they had Bengal and Bengal said not quite. So the real question is, which way has Bengal shifted this time? And we will have the answers on May 4th. But what is the mood on the ground? What are leaders saying? What does it indicate? Let's begin by playing out what Mamata Banerjee has said.
যেটা টিভিতে দেখাচ্ছি এটা বিজেপি অফিস থেকে কালকে বেলা 1:08 সার্কুলেট করেছে এবং টাকা দিয়ে বলেছে যাতে এটা দেখানো হয়। তার কারণ হচ্ছে আমার কাছে স্পেসিফিক ইনফরমেশন এসেছে 1:08 আমি কোনো একটা প্রেস মিডিয়ার থ্রুতে পেয়েছি এবং সেই ইনফরমেশনে দেখা যাচ্ছে তারা পরিষ্কার বলছে ফোর্সফুলি তোমায় করতে হবে, এটা তোমাকে এর মধ্যে যাওয়া যাবে না। কারণটা আসলে জানেন আপনারা, আমরা 230ও পেয়ে যেতে পারি, 226 ক্রস করবো 2026-এ। মানুষ যে বিপুলভাবে ভোট দিয়েছে, আমার তাদের প্রতি পুরো ভরসা, বিশ্বাস, আস্থা আছে।
Let's open this up. Sanju Verma, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, JVC Sriram, Tushar Gupta, Harshvardhan Tripathi, Rashid Kidwaiji, Ashwini Kumar Mishra ji, Niladri Bhattacharya completes this panel. Mr. Bhattacharya, many people, at least in the BJP, are of the opinion that the desperation is showing in the TMC camp. Is that the right assessment?
Ramesh, I cannot comment anything on the opinion of the BJP. The BJP can only comment on it. Sanju is there, she will comment on it. But as far as the mood on the ground goes, see, these exit polls we have seen in 2021, 2026, and 2024, they've all been rubbished by the people of Bengal. I will tell you why these exit polls are flawed. I'll give a very small example after returning to Calcutta today, what I got the information from the ground level. The Singham police officer was roaming about in Falta for the last 3 days before the elections. Now, the constituency of Jahangir Khan has around 32 booths. And out of those 32 booths, BJP has not been able to give his election agent in more than 25 of the booths. So these show that the BJP lacks the organizational skills for all the, because remember, Bengal has 80,000 booths in total, out of which, even if they could not give for more than 50%, then it is a problem for them. As far as the numbers goes, numbers will open up on 4th of May. Rest, we are in the rough waters if we start discussing the numbers.
No, Mamata Banerjee is discussing the numbers. She has a number, 230 is her number, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Anish, she has a number, she has a source of information. I will not comment on that. Neither will I go on the credibility of that. Neither will I disapprove.
So you have a problem with Mamata's assessment? You don't trust Mamata's assessment? I thought...
Pranesh, it is not that I don't trust Mamata's assessment. I don't trust any of the assessments here. Any of the assessments here.
What is your assessment, if any? Do you have an assessment?
I have an assessment. Assessment is that it is a very close contest, but the BJP will not be able to cross the majority mark. I have been maintaining it since day before yesterday. BJP will not be able to form a government. Government will be formed by TMC, albeit on lesser numbers and lesser winning percentage.
Sanju Verma, आपको 5 साल और इंतजार करना पड़ेगा।
वो जो हिंदी में कहावत है ना प्रणेश जी, बड़े बेआबरू होकर तेरे कूचे से हम निकले, बहुत मेरे अरमान निकले, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ कम निकले। तो ममता बनर्जी की वापसी का वक्त आ चुका है। 4 मई ममता गई। आई विल नेवर गेट टायर्ड ऑफ सेइंग दिस टिल द 4th of May. But let me come straight to the brass tacks. Last time in 2021, there were 31 seats where the margin of victory or defeat vis-a-vis TMC and BJP was barely 10%. Then there were 28 seats where the margin of victory / defeat between TMC and BJP was more than 5% but less than 10%. So basically, arithmetically speaking, there were 59 seats where the margin of victory or defeat between TMC and BJP was between 5 to 10%. और इस बार खेला हो गया है on these 59 seats. But खेला किसके साथ हुआ है? खेला TMC के साथ हुआ है, not with BJP. And I'll tell you why.
नहीं खेला हो तो गया है, किसने किया है? इलेक्शन कमीशन ने किया है, सेंट्रल फोर्सेस ने किया, ये भी तो बताइए।
Pranesh ji, I think you read my mind. I was about to come to that. The way Gyanesh Kumar, the chief election commissioner, has been rubbished, has been maligned, has been trolled brutally. I would like to take this opportunity through your platform to say, what a fabulous job by Gyanesh Kumar. What a fabulous job by the Election Commission of India. What a fabulous job by the entire team which was monitoring the election process in Bengal. For the first time, Bengal ki election mein bump nahi phode gaye. There was almost zero violence and the entire process was transparent.
Okay.
So anybody on 4th May who says ki arey Gyanesh Kumar to BJP ke agent hai, I will just say, please learn to grow up.
No, you don't have to wait for 4th May. We have pictures of the TMC leaders doing dharna outside a strong room. Sashi Panja, who is a minister there, and I think it was Kunal Ghosh with her. So it has started already.
Pranesh ji, Sashi Panja ke baare mein main zyada kuch nahi bolna chahungi, but she has been the Women and Child Development Minister under Mamata Banerjee for the longest time, and Shashi Panja is the same lady who said after the Jalpaiguri case where a BJP worker
That's a separate matter. This is a dharna to register their protest against what they believe is some discrepancy going on at the ground level at the strong room. We will get a response from all the other panelists, but Mr. Kidwai here has a point. Yes, sir.
So I think my friend Sanju is not doing any favor to Election Commission by complimenting the Election Commission. Election Commission's role is of one of neutral player. Person is a constitutional body. It is not even aligned to the government of the day as such. So therefore, it is like to say that to bat for that that particular institution is I think is doing a disservice.
Congratulating, like you.
Why? Why would you? Have you ever seen in a cricket or hockey or football match, the winning team complimenting the umpire? It amounts to that.
Obviously, if the umpire is making the right decisions,
So,
and doesn't
the
make wrong
umpire is supposed to make
decisions,
the right decisions.
But that's not happened. No, the past records show what?
By doing
Booth
this,
capturing-
she is questioning the
Let
neutrality.
him speak one person at a time, please, JVC. Let him speak.
JVC, you see, by doing this, she is actually questioning, perhaps unwittingly, questioning the neutrality of the Election Commission.
So,
This is
Mr.
problematic.
Kidwai, okay, let me extend this logic, and you're a senior journalist, you need no introduction. Commented or thanked the Supreme Court or welcomed the verdict. That means there is something suspicious. How many times have we seen that?
No.
Supreme Court is also a neutral arbiter.
No. Supreme Court is on a point of law. Supreme Court decides between the right and wrong. Here there is a Election Commission presides over elections.
Yeah, but it
Where
has
there
a
are a lot of
mandate to
emotions
conduct
involved.
elections, free and fair
Where there is a
elections.
verdict of 49 and 51. Okay, 49 people wanting something, 51 people wanting this. In the election, in the Supreme Court's mandate is altogether different.
Okay, then, sir, when a party loses elections, why should they be abusing it? If the
They should
election
accept the
commission has
verdict.
no stakes here, why should parties blame the election commission then?
Because they are colluding with the government, no?
Sir, ये क्रिकेट में होता है.
Look,
आपने क्रिकेट का एग्जांपल दिया, 1 मिनट अश्विनी जी, 1 मिनट. क्रिकेट का एग्जांपल पहले एक अभी सब खेला हो बे है, सब गेम डिस्कस करेंगे. फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, हॉकी सब करेंगे. नॉकआउट, पंच, एवरीथिंग. मिस्टर चिडवाई, ये क्रिकेट में होता है सर ऐसा कि अंपायर को गाली देने लगते हैं? इंडिया हार गई, अंपायर
को गाली देने का कहां पर होता? Shakur Rana, Khizr Hayat, I can name number of Pakistani umpires who were accused of that. There was that thing that Pakistan plays with 13 players, 11 in the cricketing side and 2 umpires. No, I am
Election
saying.
Commission.
Look.
Pakistani
Don't
umpire.
put words in my. No. You're putting words in my mouth. I said the Election Commission is a neutral body, is a constitutional body. Sanju Verma is doing a disservice.
One at a time. Ashwini ji,
My friend is proving my point by saying that the Election Commission is wrong.
Okay.
One person is saying right and wrong.
हर्षवर्धन जी, यहाँ पे मैं आपको लाऊंगा, बगल में ही बैठे हैं, मैं तुषार गुप्ता को पहले लाना चाहता हूं. तुषार, one comment, in praising the what do I say, for lack of a better word, efficiency of the Election Commission has had many people here, up in arms.
No, I hope the TMC also sings praises of the Election Commission, because when you do not know the winner of a cricket match in a nail-biting contest, what's the first thing that you say? That cricket is the winner. So in a nail-biting contest between the TMC and the BJP, the Election Commission sure is the winner. They've conducted a wonderful election, almost barred of any sort of violence, any sort of hooliganism that had become, so as to say, the political culture of West Bengal. That's what the commentators used to say. Arun, around the exit polls, there is a lot of arithmetic that we still need to make sense of. I was looking at some numbers, and some say that 190 for the BJP. That would honestly mean that 9 or rather 8 out of 10 Hindu votes have gone to the BJP. Now that sounds very unrealistic. It sounds wonderful. It sounds dreamy. It sounds great if you're a BJP supporter, but it does sound a tad bit unrealistic. My conservative figure is more around the 150, 160 range, but yes, the TMC, Mamata Banerjee promising 230 plus. I don't know on what account she's promising 230 plus. The BJP was leading on 90 plus seats in 2024 itself. In 2024 itself, the BJP improved its vote share in 173 of the 294 assembly segments. So I don't know what Mamata Banerjee is really saying, but I think this is more a show of bravado by the TMC. The BJP is silent. They're waiting for the counting day. But I think we'll have a closer contest than some exit pollsters are suggesting at this
point. The Chief Minister has rubbished exit poll numbers to say that, this is given by the BJP.
See, I think most of the exit polls are saying that it is a very close race. In fact, my exit poll, if you take it, I'm giving a slight edge to BJP. But I'm not giving a tsunami for BJP, unlike some of the others, because my data, phase 2 data, came only by 5:30 yesterday evening. And we want to publish it. So these are the exit polls of Mamata Banerjee. If Didi is saying it, which means that there is fear. Now the fear of people have been transformed into fear of Mamata. Fear of people of, probably the kind of gundaism which they faced. But now fear of losing has gripped Mamata Didi. Because if at 145, 150 is what we are giving, and still she is saying that exit polls are wrong, which means our expectation is she is expecting 294 out of 294, because all these days she had police in her control, she had rowdies under control, on her payroll were so many local dadas, and with them she thought she could win 294 seats.
So now, if you flip the argument, are you saying, the party that controls all of this?
No, the point here is that so many lakhs of, armed forces people are there. And Election Commission has been strict. The SIR has done its job. And now people are able to freely
you're
express.
Going into the red zone. Do not praise the Election Commission. Mr. Kidwai will not be kind to you.
They conduct fairly.
Okay, he can.
Yeah.
I thought, sir, you would, say that he's
also... If Election Commission is not conducting fairly, then what do we do?
He can ask for
Bharat Ratna certificate to mil gaya, not from the BJP.
He can ask for Bharat Ratna for Ganesh Kumar.
Sanju Verma, I'm coming to you. Yes. Now, we were talking about cricket. Ashwini ji, have a view. Congress is not even a player in West Bengal. आप तो दर्शक दीर्घा में बैठे हैं सर, आप तो स्पेक्टेटर हैं.
ये आपका ओपिनियन है. We are very much in the play, and you will see we'll be the kingmaker. And let's first get on to this SIR point. Let's first get onto this SIR point and ECI's collusion. एक मिनट आप अपने नंबर पे
Are you saying kingmaker or you saying a queenmaker?
No, kingmaker. Oh, queen. I mean the king who is going to be the chief minister.
King.
Government.
बोलने दीजिए उनको please.
Okay. I'm not saying who will be the chief minister, but we will be the kingmaker. SIR का मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं. I have at least 5 friends in उत्तर प्रदेश. उसमें से 2-3 गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई हैं और उनका वोट कट गया है. That is the problem with the SIR. Not everyone is capable of taking all that hurdle to get their voting rights done. मैं पर्सनली जानता हूं 5-7 लोगों को, जिसमें 2-3 गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई हैं, उनका वोट कटा हुआ है. तो ऐसे अगर आप संजू ने 10% सीटों का एग्जांपल दिया, 1 मिनट, but let me finish. संजू ने 10% सीटों का एग्जांपल दिया कि यहां पर मार्जिन बहुत कम थे. just look at the number of vote deleted on those 10% seats also.
Okay.
There will be
Point
lot
taken.
of
मुझे बस एक बात बता दीजिए, आपके 5 जो दोस्त थे जिनका नाम कट गया है, हाउ डू यू नो विच पार्टी दे वुड हैव वोटेड फॉर? ये किसको नुकसान करेगा, किसको हेल्प करेगा? तो ये तो कोई नहीं कह रहा है कि जो नाम कटा है वो एक्सरसाइज है, डिस्क्रिपेंसी है, तो आप अपील कर सकते हैं। हर्षवर्धन तो
नहीं,
3 हफ्ते से यही कह रहे हैं।
आप ये भी कहिए दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है सर।
That
It is
means
unfortunate.
SIR exercise wrong है। पहले तो
if the names of genuine voters have been cut, it is unfortunate. But that is not an excuse for any political party.
Pranesh, now let me finish my point. That means that is the first criticism Election Commission of India I put
It
up
is
to.
not. I will
It
tell
is
you
because
one minute.
it is the Election Commission of India
When you
who is
conduct an
conducting this
exercise as mammoth as
who is
this,
not done in a manner, it is not done in a manner जहां पर सारे legitimate Indian voters को in voting rights रहने चाहिए, तो नहीं रहे। अब उसमें कैसे किया उन्होंने, क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं, क्या ज्योग्राफी ली, कहां बीएलओज गए, कहां बीएलओज नहीं गए, दिस ऑल कैन बी मैनिपुलेटेड।
जवाब दे रहे हैं।
वन लास्ट पॉइंट, अभी एक इलेक्शन कमीशन के एनवलप पे बीजेपी का स्टैंप मिला था, केरला में मिला था ना। अब क्या इनका हेडक्वार्टर्स भी सेम है क्या, जहां दोनों स्टैंप रखी रहती हैं? कभी बीजेपी के एनवलप पे इलेक्शन कमीशन का लग जाता है, इलेक्शन कमीशन बीजेपी के एनवलप लग जाता है, स्टैंप लग जाता है।
सही बात है, बिल्कुल एम्बैरेसिंग है। The election commission has not covered itself in glory and we debated that. आपको याद होगा। But the larger point you are making about, आपके दोस्तों का नाम कट गया, बाकी लोगों का नाम कट गया, हर्षवर्धन जी।
नहीं प्रणेश जी, देखिए मुझे लगता है कि ये पहली बार हो रहा है क्या किसी का नाम कट जाता है। नाम कट जाता है तो जुड़वा लीजिए। ये इसमें नेशनल टेलीविजन पे ये इसको बता रहे हैं कि इस फैक्ट को रखने का क्या मतलब है? ये तो ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि उनका नाम कट गया है तो नाम जुड़ नहीं सकता है। ये तो नाम जुड़ाया जा सकता है। हमारा भी नाम कट गया था तो हमने जुड़वा लिया। कोई भी जाके एप्लीकेशन देगा, वो कहा हमारा भी नाम कट गया था, तो जिसका 2024 में कट गया था, तो अब हम कहें वो तो SIR भी नहीं हुआ था, किसी ने कटवा दिया था। सवाल ये है कि क्या हम इसको ये कहें कि नहीं नहीं सब गड़बड़ हो गया। और एक चीज से मैं पूरी तरह से डिसएग्री करता हूं, इलेक्शन कमीशन अंपायरिंग नहीं कर रहा है, वो किसी को आउट नहीं दे रहा है, वो किसी को नो बॉल नहीं दे रहा है, किसी को फ्री हिट नहीं दे रहा है। वो कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी के साथ, पूरी गोपनीयता के साथ भारत का जो चुनाव होता है उसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ अच्छे से वो मॉनिटर करता है। ये बेसिक डिफरेंस तो हमें समझना पड़ेगा ना। वो अंपायर थोड़ी ना है। और जब इलेक्शन कमीशन एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी है, वो अपना काम अच्छे से करेगी तो उसका बिल्कुल तारीफ करनी चाहिए। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को भी करनी चाहिए, हमें भी करनी चाहिए, रशीद जी आपको भी करनी चाहिए।
नहीं पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को
अगर जहां पर इतना वायलेंस, इतना ज्यादा रिगिंग, इतनी ज्यादा सोर्स जैमिंग, और ये कौन कह रहा है? अधीर रंजन चौधरी कह रहे हैं, राहुल गांधी कह रहे हैं। अब या तो अश्विनी जी राहुल गांधी को नेता नहीं मान के आए, क्योंकि हम तो मान रहे लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन अगर कह रहा है तो कुछ तो उसने भी समझाओ, चलो पूरा नहीं ठीक बोला, कुछ तो ठीक बोला होगा ना। अधीर रंजन चौधरी अगर कह रहे हैं तो कुछ तो ठीक बोला होगा ना। आप लोगों को क्या हो जाता है, नेशनल टेलीविजन पर आपको कुछ भी बोलना है तो उसके लिए एक तर्क निकाल लाएंगे। तो ना तो वो अंपायर है और उसकी तारीफ बिल्कुल होनी चाहिए। बंगाल का केस एक्सेप्शनल है, रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर है। यहां अधिकारी नहीं मिले, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट मशीनरी की। कौन कराया? 700 जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स। ये भी तो बताइए ना, क्यों अपीलेट में जाके इतना देर हुआ? क्योंकि अगर स्टेट मशीनरी के ऑफिसर मिल गए होते तो शायद ये प्रोसेस थोड़ा और जल्दी होता, कुछ और जेन्युइन वोटर्स जोड़े जा सकते थे।
संजू वर्मा।
Thank you. You know, Rashid Kidwai is very erudite. I have been on a panel with him on umpteen shows, on umpteen channels. I'm actually quite amused that he got so agitated by praising the election commission. Sanju Verma is actually doing a great disservice to Ganesh Kumar and to the election commission of India. So I want to ask Mr. Kidwai, when Mahua Moitra calls Ganesh Kumar Vanish Kumar, tab aapko sab sahi lagta hai? When Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra and the entire Darbari ecosystem makes reckless allegations about vote chori, tab aapko sab sahi lagta hai? When Mamta Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee openly intimidate voters and say, wait and watch what happens after 12 noon on 4th May.
Yeah.
We challenge Amit Shah, we challenge Narendra Modi. Ganesh Kumar is a puppet, an agent of the BJP. तब आपको मिस्टर किडवाई सब सही लगता है? संजू वर्मा ने इलेक्शन कमीशन की तारीफ क्या कर दी?
Okay, Mr. Kidwai is responding to that.
My dear friend, Rashid Kidwai has seen it all. I have also seen a Gujarat Chief Minister mentioning the name of former Chief Election Commission, James Michael Lyngdoh, very clearly indicating something that I don't wish to elaborate. So political parties have a tendency to accuse and criticize the election commission. Election commission, in the constitutional scheme of things, is a independent body, is a constitutional body, a neutral body. Political parties, when there is again in cricket term, whole time, you see this is a rest day. These are rest days. I mean, from 29th onward till 4th, they should hold horses. You will have plenty of time to praise, the election commission. By doing this, you are actually doing a disservice to the to the chief election commissioner.
No, please. Don't use this, disruptive logic. I want to ask you, Mr. Kidwai.
Why was Gujarat Chief Minister criticizing JM Lindo?
No, you spoke now. I heard
Do you
I want
remember
to
that?
ask you one question.
She's asking you
Do you
something.
agree Gyanesh Kumar is neutral? Yes or no? Do you agree Gyanesh
I would
Kumar
like to
has
believe that.
done his job?
No, if you want to hear from
Do you
me,
agree
I
Gyanesh
would
Kumar has
I would like to
done
believe
his
he is a
job?
constitutional authority. Yes.
Do you agree he's neutral, I asked?
I said
Do
I
you
would like
agree
to believe
neutral?
that. I would like to
Why
believe
can't
that.
you say yes or no? Why can't you say Gyanesh Kumar is neutral? What stops you from
What
saying
else
so?
am I saying is I'm saying a
What
simple
stops
thing.
you from calling
I would
Gyanesh
want to
Kumar
believe that.
neutral? What
Just as
stops
my
you
friend
from saying
Harshvardhan
election
believes, I would
commission
also believe.
has done his job? If you can criticize the election commission, I can.
I did not criticize
seriously-
the election commission.
But you are keeping quiet.
No,
You
I am
don't
saying
have
election.
the-
Sanju,
you don't
please try
have
to.
the standard
Sanju,
to
Okay, now
admit
1 minute.
that.
Election
Let's
commission
not-
is quite
okay,
capable
okay.
Just let me complete, please. Election commission is quite, capable of defending itself. It does not need a certificate from the Congress, BJP, NDA allies, or any other political party. See that, as I said, as a reporter, we have seen it all. We have also seen that the BJP in 2009 criticizing the EVM. A book was written, a fraud called EVM. Mr. L.K. Advani, as a leader of opposition, had
Wrote the
written a letter.
foreword, yes. Okay.
All those things are there.
Now,
so you
Mr.
cannot erase these things.
But we've also seen the Naveen Chawlas and the others.
Absolutely, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Okay, now, Mr. Mishra, Tushar, Ashwini Mishra, to that question asked by Sanju Verma on the neutrality of Election Commission and the CEC, was saying, no, he's not neutral. Ashwini Mishra has seen the numbers from Kerala. The Congress has an edge there. The Election Commission suddenly decided that, look, to maintain our neutrality, we must ensure that Congress returns to power in Kerala, because if Congress loses Kerala, then we are gone. Our neutrality is at stake. Mr. Mishra?
You're illogical. अगर मैं
No, Pranesh.
Let him first weigh in.
मैं बोलता हूं मेरे घर में चोरी हो गई, मेरे घर से कार चोरी हो गई, तो आप बोलते हो अरे आपके घर में चोरी तो नहीं हुई, आपके घर में जेवर चोरी नहीं हुआ, आपका सोफा चोरी नहीं हुआ. What kind of logic is that? We are telling there is a collusion, there is election chori. Election commission is favoring the government. Like election, you rightly said, election commission umpire नहीं है, पिच क्यूरेटर है, पिच बनाता है उसको फेवर करने के लिए जिसको वो चाहता है. They are creating the pitch for the government so that they can. होता है ना आप
अंपायर
इलेक्शन कमीशन ने पिच बना दिया.
कमीशन की भूमिका को समझ ही नहीं पा रहे हैं.
पिच बनाते हैं सरकार, और 3 स्टेजेस में होता है. पहले बोर्ड जब बनते हैं, बोर्ड बनाओ,
to understand the role of election commission.
इनको बोलने दीजिए हर्षवर्धन जी, बोलने
3 स्टेजेस, तीन
पिच
स्टेजेस
क्यूरेटर. हाँ,
3 स्टेजेस में करते हैं. पहले जब वोटिंग लिस्ट बनती है, SIR एक्सरसाइज क्लासिक एग्जांपल, राहुल गांधी ने कई बार एक्सपोज किया, आपने अपना प्रोसेस भी चेंज किया उसका, इनफैक्ट आपने फोन नंबर मैंडेटरी किया डिलीशन में. दूसरा जब पोलिंग होती है, और तीसरा जब रिजल्ट निकलते हैं, जब जिसके बाबा बोलते हैं
3 stages. Now let me answer, then I'll get Tushar and others to, and Harshvardhan ji to come in. You began by saying, Ashwini Mishra, that you are illogical. Okay, here's my logic. You said गाड़ी चोरी हो गई है, तो आप क्या कहेंगे? You know what this case is? आपने गाड़ी अपनी बेच दी है, उसके बाद आप कह रहे हैं मेरी गाड़ी चोरी हो गई है. दिस इज द केस विद द कांग्रेस पार्टी. और जो 3 स्टेज आपने बताए हैं पिच बनाने के, पिच टैंपरिंग, तो ये कर्नाटक में कौन सा पिच था? हिमाचल प्रदेश में पिच किसने बना दी? यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने वहां इलेक्शन करवाए थे. किसने बनाया पिच?
फिर से सेम लॉजिक. अगर क्यूरेटर बायास नहीं होता तो हम और बेहतर मार्जिन से जीतते. दैट इज द होल पॉइंट.
ठीक है, तो ये आप मानते हैं ना कि पिच पे खेलने आना चाहिए सबको, तो आप खेल नहीं पा रहे, कहीं दूसरी जगह हार रहे हैं, तो खेल
फेयर एंड
हर्षवर्धन
जी, प्रणय जी, हिंदी
बायास है तो क्या करेगा?
हम लोग चूंकि बहुत देर से क्रिकेट पे बात कर रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा हिंदी में कुछ कहावतें हैं, उसको बोलते हैं नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. हालात वही हैं. कमाल है, आप कहेंगे कि वो पिच ही अच्छी नहीं थी इसलिए हम हार गए, वो थोड़ा बाउंड्री थोड़ा दूर तक थी इसलिए हमारा सिक्सर नहीं गया. कमाल हो गया है भाई. सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशन जब तक इनको जिता नहीं देंगे तब तक वो सब के सब फ्लॉड हैं, गड़बड़ है, सब गड़बड़ हो रहा है। और मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी है इलेक्शन कमीशन, वो ऑडियंस है ना, वो ताली बजाने वाला है। उसका काम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली डिफाइंड है, उस काम को कर रहा है और वो सभी पार्टी के लिए कर रहा है।
भारत रत्न मिलना चाहिए।
नहीं, भारत रत्न तो मैं नेहरू जी के लिए भी नहीं कह रहा था।
बिल्कुल
तुषार,
इलेक्शन कमीशन पूरे देश में इलेक्शन करा रहे। बीजेपी तमिलनाडु में तो नहीं जीत रही एग्जिट पोल्स की माने, केरला में भी नहीं जीत रही, असम में जीत रही है, बंगाल में एक एज है। तो ओवरऑल ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज को भी इलेक्शन कमीशन का जो कराया गया इलेक्शन प्रोसेस में उनके एग्जिट पोल्स फेवर कर रहे हैं। तो ये शौनी जी क्या बोल रहे हैं, बायस्ड है, ये है, वो है। ये कह रहे हैं किंग मेकर बनेंगे। किसके साथ जाएंगे? टीएमसी के साथ। टीएमसी के वर्कर्स ने इन्हीं के प्रवक्ता की हत्या कर दी आसनसोल में, और ये कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता कह रहे हैं हम तो टीएमसी के साथ भी चला जाएंगे। ये मेरी बात नहीं, ये कांग्रेस का हर एक कार्यकर्ता, उसको देखना चाहिए वीडियो कि कैसे कांग्रेस का एक प्रवक्ता, पैराशूट प्रवक्ता आकर नेशनल टीवी में बोलते कोई बात नहीं, हमारे कार्यकर्ता की हत्या हो गई तो क्या हुआ, हम तो टीएमसी के साथ अलायंस बना लेंगे। ये तो कांग्रेस की desperation है Pranesh, that they are ready to go into an alliance with a party whose workers murder their own workers. This is the desperation of the Congress. You think the election commission is biased? No. The Congress is desperate because they cannot get anything anywhere in India. They are just second fiddles in national alliances and regional alliances.
I had left that question about, the Congress playing the role of a kingmaker, queenmaker for the end. But Tushar, it's okay. You stole my thunder. Because Rahul Gandhi has been going after Mamata Banerjee, and the only other party is the BJP. So I wanted to hear from Mr. Mishra.
Pranesh, एक सौ।
Okay.
अभी ये कह रहे हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन बायस्ड है। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने राहुल गांधी का टिकट बुक करके उनको निकोबार भेजा था। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने राहुल गांधी को स्ट्रिप दिया था, टीएमसी को अटैक कर रहे हैं। इलेक्शन कमीशन राहुल गांधी के फॉरेन ट्रिप्स बुक करती है इलेक्शन कमीशन इलेक्शन कैंपेन के बीच में। हाउ इज इट अबाउट द इलेक्शन कमीशन व्हेन योर ओन लीडर इज सो इनकॉम्पिटेंट, ही डजंट इवन टर्न अप फॉर कैंपेन्स?
Ashwini ji, while you answer this, let me quickly bring in some pictures that we are getting, and if you can take those pictures in a bigger window. This is from the strong room that we've been talking about. The number of TMC workers, but I can see some scuffle. Now, this is a result of what Mamata Banerjee said, that look, all of you must go to the strong room and don't leave. Do not trust anyone. If you have to go to eat, ensure that your most trusted aide is there. Mr. Kidwai, is this responsible politics?
Well, I think you're trying to make a value judgment. This happens. I was witness once Sharad Yadav was protesting against this whole related, and he won that election. So this protest and all, this is all. You see, what I'm saying is there is a too long a period for this, rest days from 29 till 4th of May, and this is what you see. Many people. I don't want to criticize, the exit poll, etc. But there is a, occasion of khayali pulao. So, khayali pulaos are being,
Khayali pulao is one thing, sir, but when your leader tells you that go to all the strong room, do this.
It happens.
Okay.
It happens as part of the moment. I am not endorsing it.
There is nothing wrong.
Yeah.
There is nothing wrong. Sanju Verma?
Yes. Pranesh, I think the moot point is this. Will BJP win West Bengal? Yes. Will it be with a 2/3 majority? Or will it be a 3/4 majority? That is the only question that needs to be answered. And you might say, oh, Sanju Verma is being overconfident and over-optimistic. But I say this, with a 92% voter turnout in second phase and 93% voter turnout in the first phase, the highest ever in post-independent India, does that not tell you a story beyond arithmetic? Does that not tell you a story beyond simply the number crunching? It tells you one thing. Bengal ki janta keh rahi hai, enough is enough. It is an inflection point that has been reached. And I will end by saying one thing. Again, thank God for those 2.3 lakh CRPF, CISF, CAPF, BSF and the Central Paramilitary Forces. They have done a stupendous job. Gyanesh Kumar ko
Mr. Kidwai, paramilitary forces की तारीफ तो allowed है?
Yes, very much. I think paramilitary forces have done a commendable job, and so is, government of Bengal also, because again, in constitutional scheme of things, these paramilitary forces are always at the disposal of the civil administration there. So therefore, this is the beauty of our country. People have very kind of, strong differences opinion, but once the election day is over, then everything is back to normal.
Mr. Bhattacharya.
It's very nice hearing this monologue from Sanju. Very nice, wishful thinking. But she's staying in this la la land, in her own fantasy land. We are very sure that, see, people of Bengal, see, this election has been a very different, the high percentage voter. Every party is claiming is theirs, but we don't know. But I'm very sure the mood on the ground is that the TMC will definitely come back to power. And Sanju and we shall speak on 4th of May when the ballots are open and the tables are turned.
No,
as
that's
she
okay.
says.
But Mr. Bhattacharya, if it comes to a scenario where you have to take support from the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi has said not very nice things about Mamata Banerjee. Will you be open to...
In the picture, the best they can win only one seat, the Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary seat. No other seat they are winning, definitely.
Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary... No, forget whether he's winning or not. The Congress does not... does not even consider Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary as their leader. Because he says something and Rahul Gandhi and the others say something. So there is
we must also remember this thing, that Bengal has a rich tradition of this Mahajot. We have also seen Mamata Banerjee being part and parcel of NDA and coalition government with the BJP.
नहीं, coalition तो ठीक है sir, ये तो collision government हो जाएगी ना, because Rahul Gandhi has been saying, has been calling...
can be railway minister under Vajpayee. Then what is the big deal?
Sir, the big deal is that in India Alliance, Rahul Gandhi stands on one stage with Mamata Banerjee and then during campaigning says Mamata is the B team of the BJP. Mamata
Are you saying that Rahul Gandhi... Are you saying that Rahul Gandhi does not have a right to live and learn?
Okay, Rahul Gandhi is living and learning. He is yet to arrive. Ashwini Mishra.
Last 20 years.
अब मैं वो नहीं बोलूंगा sir. लेकिन
2 years. Correcting you.
So 2 points. One is India Alliance is a democratic alliance where people have right to express their opinion even though they are not aligned with your thought process. Unlike NDA where you cannot speak against Modi ji. We have here everyone's opinion is respected. If there's a political party,
but you can't be standing with someone you call corrupt.
Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was stating the fact.
What are you saying?
One minute.
One more
larger point.
Just one.
वो help कर रहा है.
Yeah. मुलायम सिंह यादव जी once told me, कहने लगे हृदय परिवर्तन का अधिकार क्या केवल महर्षि वाल्मीकि को था?
हाँ, ये ठीक बात.
And one larger point. बार-बार ये एक बात बोला जा रहा है.
इसमें आपके साथ है.
One larger point. बार-बार एक बात बोला जा रहा है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने ये अच्छा किया. You tell me one example. एक आदमी को 10 बार चोरी करने का मौका मिलता है, वो नहीं करता और 11वीं बार चोरी कर लेता है, तो उसको आप चोर बोलेंगे कि नहीं?
ये तो कोर्ट बोलेगी ना.
आप राहुल गांधी चोरी कर लिया है, उसको आप चोर बोलेंगे नहीं बोलेंगे? आप गिनाएंगे नहीं, देखो इसने 10 बार चोरी देखी है, ये चोर नहीं है. That is exactly what we are election commission.
अश्विनी जी देखिए, जोर से बोलने से बात
आप बार-बार ऐसे एग्जांपल दे रहे हो. देखो उसने वहां चोरी नहीं की, वहां चोरी नहीं की, वहां चोरी नहीं की.
चोर है इलेक्शन कमीशन, ये कोर्ट बोलेगा या राहुल गांधी डिसाइड करेंगे? जो टेररिस्ट कह देते हैं किसी को, कुछ भी कह देते हैं, कौन डिसाइड करेगा? कोर्ट करेगा.
In what about rape?
What Rahul Gandhi has called people terrorists.
You give me.
You know it, Ashwini ji. But that is not my question, Ashwini ji. No, you can't escape from the point that Mr. Kidwai was making. Rahul Gandhi is living and learning. You agree with him?
So is rest of the people.
Yeah, rest of the world. Life is a process of continuous learning.
Okay. When Harshvardhan ji.
नहीं, देखिए इस पर तो मैं एग्री करता हूँ कि राहुल गांधी को अभी बहुत कुछ सीखना है.
एक्सेप्ट मोदी जी,
और सीखे वो अभी मुश्किल है, लेकिन वो लर्निंग उनकी कहीं इंप्लीमेंट नहीं होती है और मोदी जी जो सीखते हैं वो इंप्लीमेंट कर देते हैं. 2021 में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो भी लूप होल्स थे, वीक पॉइंट्स थे, जहां नट बोल्ट टाइट करने थे, वो कर लिए. राहुल गांधी गायब थे, लास्ट मिनट पे आकर ममता बनर्जी पर अटैक करते हैं और एक तरह से बीजेपी को सपोर्ट करते हैं. क्या राहुल गांधी, वैसे मैं इसमें यकीन नहीं रखता हूं ये बी टीम सी टीम, लेकिन क्या राहुल गांधी वहां बी टीम की तरह बिहेव नहीं कर रहे थे? बीजेपी की बी टीम की तरह. अब तो इलेक्शन भी हो गया, तब मैं ये कह सकता हूं, क्या वो लास्ट मिनट में जिस तरह की वीडियो अपील उन्होंने जारी की, जिस तरह से उन्होंने बात की, क्या वो ममता बनर्जी को नहीं एक तरह से कमजोर कर रहे थे? और अगर ये लर्निंग है, ये लिविंग है, तो फिर
पता नहीं है लिविंग है या लीविंग है. ये अभी वो निकोबार में है, निकोबार प्रोजेक्ट. तुषार,
जेन जी ना आजकल एक टर्म यूज करती है, प्रणेश, सिचुएशनशिप. इंडिया अलायंस उस सिचुएशनशिप हो चुकी है। इनके पार्टनर्स का कोई फॉर्मल कमिटमेंट नहीं है, कोई फ्यूचर प्लान नहीं है, साथ है नहीं है पता नहीं है। आज अलायंस में है, कल दुश्मन है, परसों फिर अलायंस में है। यहाँ पर अश्वनी जी कह रहे हैं इंडिया अलायंस एक डेमोक्रेटिक अलायंस है। ये कैसी डेमोक्रेसी है कि एक पार्टनर दूसरे पार्टनर को इलेक्शन कैंपेन के बीच में कहता है आप तो करप्ट हो, आप तो बेकार हो, आपने तो स्टेट बर्बाद कर दिया, आपने तो जॉबलेसनेस बढ़ा दी। अभी पंजाब और यूपी के इलेक्शन आएंगे तब कहेंगे हम साथ हैं, रिजल्ट आएंगे तब कहेंगे हम अलग है। तो ये जो पूरी इंडिया अलायंस है ना एक सिचुएशनशिप की तरह है। और ये अश्वनी जी जो इतना कूद कूद कर इलेक्शन कमीशन की बात कर रहे हैं, इनके लीडर को तो कहा था इलेक्शन कमीशन ने एफिडेविट साइन करिए, कोर्ट में जाइए अपने एलिगेशंस लेकर, तब ये भाग लेते हैं, तब इनके पास जवाब नहीं होता। एफिडेविट ये साइन नहीं कर सकते, पैराशूट प्रवक्ता आकर कुछ भी क्लेम कर लेते हैं, अलायंस का कुछ पता नहीं है। ये कैसी सिचुएशनशिप चल रही है भाई? फिर कहते हैं राहुल गांधी इज लर्निंग व्हाट, हाउ टू फाइंड डिफरेंट वेज टू लूज एन इलेक्शन।
Who answers this? Mr. Kidwai wants to.
No, but situationship तो तब भी था ना when BJP and Trinamool were together, when there was Mahajot, when she was a cabinet minister in Atal Bihari Vajpayee government.
लेकिन वो अटल जी कह रहा था ना।
अरे वो
अरे
सरकार
बीजेपी
तो
बदल गई क्या?
अरे आप भी लोग कहते हैं, सब कहते हैं,
नहीं,
हम आप
नहीं,
क्या आप नहीं कह रहे हैं कि
It takes two to tango.
नहीं, राशिद किदवाई जी आप कह रहे हो उनकी कैबिनेट में कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर थी वाजपेयी जी की सरकार में, सरकार तो बनी कम से कम। ये कैसे सिचुएशनशिप है कि सरकार भी नहीं बन रही?
नहीं,
उसका तो
सरकार
जवाब
बनने
दीजिए।
नहीं दे रहे
वो
हैं। वोट चोरी, पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस, सरकार कैसे बनेगी? पिच का 3 स्टेज बता दिया अश्विनी जी ने।
वैसे प्रणय जी, रशीद जी शायद कह रहे हैं ना कि ममता बनर्जी सीएम नहीं रह जाएंगी तो कल को तृणमूल कांग्रेस साथ में आ जाएगी, तो मोदी जी की मिनिस्ट्री भी आ जाएगी शायद।
Mr. Kidwai, you've seen the Congress and written about it extensively. Very few have known Congress like you have. What explains Rahul Gandhi's belligerent ways, sir? And I'm using the word responsibly. Look what he's done to Mr. Vijayan in Kerala. Is he not on collision course with his allies? Many have said, in fact, it was the Shiv Sena UBT and the NCP Sharad Pawar that said that alliance with the Congress hurt us.
Yes, so the applied side of politics calls for very kind of unprecedented, uncharacteristic kind of responses. I think Rahul Gandhi also has an eye for 2029 elections, Lok Sabha elections, where he thinks that if Mamata Banerjee wins for the 4th time, she will be the bigger contender. And as you know that India Alliance, there is always, they want to treat Congress as a co-equal, not as a Congress as a dominant partner. So there is a lot of politics is there.
No, there is.
I'm glad that the BJP is
Kidwai,
taking...
then if you're saying if the Congress has this fear, then what did the Congress do about it? How many road shows, rallies did Rahul Gandhi do? He should be there with his party workers, at least in terms of optics, would have sent a message. Where is Rahul Gandhi? You know where he is.
No, that is for the Congress party to respond. But what I'm saying is,
Mishra ji, respond कीजिए.
Every political party has its own kind of, strategy in place.
आपने तो मान लिया Congress is not in this fight to win. Kingmaker, Queenmaker, आप तो पहले ही बोल रहे हैं.
The BJP is taking Rahul Gandhi and Congress party very seriously in Bengal. And they think that the one statement by Rahul Gandhi would make a qualitative difference on the politics of Bengal.
Sanju Verma, will you, if the result is favorable to the BJP, will you attribute it to Rahul Gandhi's help of him attacking Mamata Banerjee?
Along with Election Commission.
I just want to say one thing. Mr. Kidwai, you can keep taking pot shots at the Election Commission, but the irony is not lost on anyone that you dislike the Election Commission for what it stands, with no offense to you.
You're putting words in my mouth again.
I will just say, I did not interject you. Let me have my say.
Go on, ma'am, go on.
The Congress spokesperson, Mr. Mishra, he said that, Congress party kingmaker banegi, kingmaker ya queenmaker ya whatever. I mean, come on. In which world are you living in? Are you on Jupiter or Mars or Venus? Congress party did not win a single seat in assembly elections of West Bengal in 2021. Lok Sabha 2024, Congress party got just 1 seat. Your average vote share in West Bengal has never crossed more than 4.72%. Jabki BJP ka average lijiye, assembly elections 2019, 2021, then Lok Sabha 2024. Our average vote share in West Bengal is 39.3%. up from 10% in 2016. We won 77 seats last time, up from 3 seats, which is almost a 2,467% increase. और यहाँ बैठकर जब नीलाद्री बोलते हैं, संजू वर्मा is living in La La Land. La La Land किसे कहा जाता? I will tell you.
Okay.
1 second. Mamta Banerjee said BJP will never win Tripura again in 2023. BJP ने दोबारा त्रिपुरा जीता. Mamta Banerjee said BJP will not come back to power again.
But this happened, Sanju Verma, because the BJP said this time we are winning Bengal 2021. The BJP did not win Bengal. You know, this posturing is part of politics, you know. So that message is not lost on anyone. But let's go to these pictures coming in from Kolkata. I have a post by Sagarika Ghosh, TMC MP, and she says, shocker inside Netaji Indoor Stadium in Kolkata. Attempts are being made to open ballot boxes by the Election Commission and BJP without the presence of party representatives. And now we are being told that Mamta Banerjee, the Chief Minister, is headed there. हर्षवर्धन जी, ये तो एक तरह से एस्केलेट हो गई बात.
नहीं, देखिए इसमें प्रणेश कोई इशू नहीं है. अगर कोई भी ऐसी कहीं भी कोई जिसको कहते हैं कि जरा सा भी गुंजाइश है, कोई डाउट है, तो वहां सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को होना चाहिए. लेकिन एक बात मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं, ममता बनर्जी जिस तरह से रिएक्ट कर रही हैं, जिस तरह से रिस्पांस उनका आ रहा है, वो बता रहा है कि ममता बनर्जी इन कमांड नहीं है. और उसकी वजह क्या है? जिसकी वजह से ज्ञानेश कुमार और इलेक्शन कमीशन सबके निशाने पर है. वहां सेंट्रल आर्म्ड पुलिस फोर्सेस हैं. वहां जो सत्ता और वहां का जो मशीनरी थी वो पूरी तरह से एक साथ काम करते थे, वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. वो जो काम होता था जिसको साइंटिफिक रिगिंग कहा जाता है, जो कम्युनिस्ट एरा से लेकर तृणमूल कांग्रेस के समय तक चली, वो नहीं हो पाई. बूथ जैमिंग और सोर्स जैमिंग देश के हर हिस्से से बंद हो गई. बंगाल में होती रही, इस बार नहीं हो पाई. ये असली चीज है. लेकिन फिर भी मैं कह रहा हूं, अगर कहीं भी कोई ऐसी चीज है जिस पर कोई डाउट है, कोई संदेह हो रहा है, तो बिल्कुल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के हर लीडर को वहां जाना चाहिए और वो ठीक रहे इसको तय करना चाहिए.
तुषार.
Pranesh, I hope I'm proven wrong, but the election commission task is still incomplete. The counting day may see some unfortunate events, and I hope I'm proven wrong. But it appears that one of the two primary parties in the state is preparing for a lot of drama, for a lot of charade, for a lot of street tweeter kind of situation. And I really hope that doesn't happen, that the forces do what they have to do. But come Monday, we'll see a lot of drama unfolding in Kolkata. And I again say, I hope I'm proven wrong. I hope it's a peaceful day, a peaceful counting process, but I don't see it happening.
Mr. Chidwai, you know, on the day of results on 4th of May, whatever the result is across, states and Puducherry, would it be right on the party that does not make it to attribute the loss to vote chori, rigging, voter deletion?
We have a long history of electoral politics since 1951. I think the verdicts are always accepted. There is whatever my friend Tushar is saying will not be there. Once the verdict comes, whichever way, everybody will accept it. And that is our democratic credentials, and that will be on full display on May 4th. I don't think there is going to be any untoward incident or anything, because people understand. See, if, as I keep saying, if there is 92% or 93% people have, have voted, it's very good for democracy, for the health of democracy. And therefore, the verdict will also be accepted. Political parties are
But Mr. Chidwai, you can try this with Mr. Mishra. मैं पूछूंगा तो कुछ illogical या कुछ बोल देंगे मुझे. आप ही पूछिए उनसे कि रिजल्ट के दिन वोट चोरी ये सब वो बोलेंगे.
उनकी पार्टी 3 बार लोकसभा हार चुकी है, उन्होंने सब वर्डिक्ट एक्सेप्ट किया है.
सर, वो तो लास्ट जनरल इलेक्शन को नहीं मानते. वो तो बोल रहे हैं वोट चोरी, मोदी वोट चोर, गद्दी छोड़. राहुल गांधी तो कहते रहते हैं.
खरगे जी ने कहा कि 25 सीट हमारी बढ़ गई होती. अभी ये वो नहीं कि 25
वो पूछेंगे. मैं तो कुछ बोलूंगा तो सर आप मुझे.
मोर देन 10% वोट काटे हैं आपने कोलकाता में. इसका मतलब जो
काटे नहीं है भाई,
इसका मतलब जो 2024 के चुनाव मोदी जीते हैं वो उन 10% वोट के बगैर
काटे जो
बोलते हो.
अश्विनी जी, ये जो 10% वोट की आप बात कर रहे हैं, आप जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे. ये कांग्रेस की वोट थी, किसको जारी थी?
कितना वोट मिला? टोटल बीजेपी कितना वोट मिला 2024 में? 19 करोड़. 10% वोट अगर मान लें 100 करोड़ वोटर्स है इंडिया में, 150 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन में जो ज्यादा होंगे, तो 10 करोड़ वोट हुए. अगर 10 करोड़ वोटर उसमें बोगस थे, 10% वोटर बोगस थे, 18 करोड़ वोट
आप सही में.
ये वो लॉजिक है जो मैं बता रहा हूं. ये वो लॉजिक है. ये नहीं, वॉट अबाउटरी से भी बियॉन्ड है. ये वो लॉजिक है जो 5 इनके दोस्तों के नाम कटे हैं, उन्होंने इनसे कहा कि आज शो पे आपको जाके ये बोलना है. तुषार
नहीं, उन्हें अपना नाम.
अश्विनी जी, कौन सा गणित पता है? मेरे को नहीं पता. मुझे नहीं, एक सेकेंड. अश्वनी जी कौन सा गणित बता रहे हैं मुझे नहीं पता, पर इनके गणित में 2 और 2 5 होता है, और राहुल गांधी के गणित में 95 उतनी उनकी इलेक्शन डिफीट्स हो चुकी हैं। अब सवाल ये है कि 95 इलेक्शन डिफीट्स के बाद भी राहुल गांधी इस चीज को मानेंगे, स्वीकार करेंगे कि कांग्रेस की लीडरशिप।
Okay, last word, Sanju Verma, 10 seconds.
In the last section of the debate, I will just say one thing. एक तरफ नरेंद्र मोदी, दूसरी तरफ एमके स्टालिन, ममता बनर्जी, राहुल गांधी, सोनिया गांधी, प्रियंका वाड्रा, पिनरई विजयन, अखिलेश यादव, लालू यादव, फिर भी ये सब मिलकर नरेंद्र मोदी पर हावी नहीं हो पाते, क्योंकि नरेंद्र मोदी has that personal connect and charisma with the voters on the ground.
Okay, let's leave it at that. Let's see, you know, what happens on the 4th of May. These pictures coming in from Kolkata. Mamta Banerjee will be there shortly. So we are tracking this, you know, on Times now. Taking a short break. Navita Kumar on the other side.